Hi everybody, David here from Living Tech. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be reviewing WANSVIEW's K5 camera and pairing it with Amazon's Echo Spot. This is a screen built into it, so you can view this camera's footage on here. You can do a bunch of other stuff. Anyway, if that sounds interesting, please stick around. I'll try and get you out in less than 8 minutes. We'll see. And if you like this video, please click like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more videos like it. See you in a second. This is WANSVIEW's K5 1080p wireless cloud IP camera. Comes with WANSVIEW cloud trial subscription and it costs $26.99 US on Amazon.com. Comes with a card to remind you to download the WANSVIEW app, a quick installation guide, a power cable that's USB based, the associated transformer, mounting hardware, and the device itself. On the top you see a photo sensor. In the middle you see a lens with a surrounding infrared LED to illuminate subjects in the darkness, and a condenser microphone. On its left side you'll find a micro SD card slot for storing video footage locally. On the back, a vent on the top, in the middle a power port, and on the bottom, a speaker. On the right side, you'll find a reset button, and below that, multicolor indicator status lights. On the bottom, there are mounting holes, 2 of them. Although I didn't measure exactly what the range was, I think it's probably plus or minus 15 degrees side to side, and minus 10 plus 80 top to bottom. I found the quick installation guide to be both clear and comprehensive. So this is high enough resolution video that if you have any questions, you can pause on the page you're interested in and just read it. I think it should answer all of your questions. If you have any other questions that it doesn't answer, just leave a message here and I'd be happy to answer them. The purpose of this next section is to help you find and install the WANSVIEW Cloud app, sign yourself up with a free 30-day trial of their cloud service, and add your camera to that service. So here we're just signing up for the service. They send you a verification email that you just have to respond to, and you are set up. Next, you pair your device with the app. Provide your Wi-Fi credentials, and then you're given further instructions by the app.
Please point the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for the scan.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
The next step is to sign up for the free trial subscription. Add your camera to the plan. In my case, I've already got one WANSVIEW camera, the Q5, so I'm adding a second one to the plan. And here I've opted for 24/7. The behavior is the same. It records all events. Although the purpose of this review video is to review the WANSVIEW K5 camera, I wanted to review that camera in the context of it pairing with the Amazon Echo Spot. I actually did a review video of the WANSVIEW Q5 camera a couple of months ago, and I paired it with the Amazon Echo Show. So I thought this would be a fun way to do it. If you have any questions about the setup of this Amazon Echo Spot, just let me know in the comments below and I'd be happy to answer them. You can also slow down the video, and everything you need to know is included in the video. At this point, I've gone through the setup process and named the Echo Spot. I'm ready to pair the camera with it, but Amazon has told me that it has to optimize first, and so that's what we're doing here. It's updating. Now it's going through an introductory video of the Echo Spot, and we're ready to go. Here in the Amazon app, I've gone to the skills. I already had the WANSVIEW skill installed. Here I'm going to add a device. And I'm going to look for cameras. There it is. Select that. It's other. There isn't a specific entry for the WANSVIEW. We want to discover devices. So it finds the WANSVIEW camera. I've accelerated that. Here we have it. You see the Great Room Cam, that's what I called it. Let's set that up. Click Setup. Let's skip the adding the camera to a group. And now the Great Room Cam is set up. Now we want to enable the WANSVIEW skill. It's already been linked because I already have that river level cam. So now I'm ready to go. Alexa, show Great Room Cam.
Okay.
Alexa, hide Great Room Cam. Alexa, show river level cam.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off display. Okay, so final thoughts. This guy does everything I expected it to do. It doesn't have pan tilt zoom like the Q5, but I knew it didn't when I bought it, and it was 25% less expensive, so I didn't care about that. Because with the Q5, I found that I set it once for the pan and tilt and never touched it again. So nice to have, but not necessary for me anyway. And this guy, I know I was down on the Echo Show when I did a review of the Show and the Q5 2 months ago, but I love this guy. Much less expensive, great sound, control my smart home from it. You have it just on the counter in your kitchen. It doesn't take up much space. You can set 5 timers and then see all the timers on the screen. You can see your shopping list on the screen. You can interact with it. You know, it's touch screen. So I thought this was fabulous. So I love both of these guys. This was the main thing I was reviewing. So way to go, WANSVIEW, on another great camera. And thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe to see future videos like this, and I'll catch you the next time. Have a great day.